guys, now today I will trim my lemon. I trim the lemon so that it's more vegetable will come out. Before also I do trim also this. Slowly trimming so that the more fruits will come. Before, this is my secret before. 2 or 3 pieces only coming. Now I do trimming the lemon. It's more coming the vegetable. Here, oh. Aya, it's very sharp. Oh my god. It's too much sharp, guys. You must take care of this. Ay, naman. It's all falling down. I need to cut some items so that it will more growing. So I need to knock down this. Ano sa too much. Very sharp. Ang sakit pa naman. I need to putol this one. We got very sharp. Che! May gulay. Init pa naman. See, it's all falling down. See guys, falling down. Habang kinakat ko na, fall down from the... Kasi kailangan need to trim. Dami pa naman dito. Daming kalkalin. Eh. May mga bunga kasi. Where's my scissor? No, I need the wire. Ay. See, automatic na nahulog. It's already already ripe. Look guys, you hear? So, it's all falling down. Because it's jumping na to the other corner. It's all jumping. That's why I need to trim also. See, jumping from the gate. That's why I decided to trim this all lemon. I need to trim it. Kasi, grabe. Nahuhulog na siya habang ano. Guys, actually I have papaya. This papaya. My husband, because this is male. This is male, and then he told that he become female daw. I don't know what he did. He put some stick here. He told us just wait. I will update you guys. He put some stick from this body And then as per him, it become male daw, and then after it will give the fruits. Because see, diba if there's flower, it's already male or lalaki. See, this is lalaki. It's a boy. And then he told that don't remove because I'm planning to remove this. But he do already magic. I don't know. We'll see if this is we become girl or what. He told that he do magic that one. I will check. If not, I will make girl with my husband. He feeling gawing babae. Ang boy papaya, he want to become a girl. Oh, let's see how we come. It's na lang, lesbian na lang, and then bakla. Gay. I'm so funny with my husband. Well, don't touch that one because soon it become giving you vegetables. We'll see. Diba, i-update ko kayo guys if this one become a girl. As per for my husband. Diba? Scientist ang aking husband. So, yeah, guys. Mag-continue muna ako, guys. Bye for now. God bless. Mama, God bless all. Be safe. Mwah.